E seche mano temo duoko wach Raila Odinga makwedo bottom up economy, Ruto owacho ni obiro medo dhiro mondo lokruok obede e yore mag tayo uchumi ma Pachoka indi, kendo obiro neno ni osuma pach jo Kenya kendo giwinjo ber ahinya. Oloso e seche mano romo kod jotelo mawuok e kor gwenge mag Kiambu e dalane ma Karena, Buore, Nairobi.
It is just as simple as that. And that is why I want to repeat, for the avoidance of doubt, I want to tell my friends that we understand fully well that you are in strange territory. You are not used to discussing about ordinary people. You are used to discussing with leaders of tribal parties about positions and about power. We are telling you this time round, we are going to have a different conversation. It is about ordinary people, the mamambogas, the people who are jobless. That will be the center of our conversation. And it is only through an economic revolution that thinks about the people at the bottom-up revolution, economic revolution, that we are going to lift this country up, and we are going to get everybody on a journey where nobody is left behind. So let us respect one another.